Hello, this is a harness bar that's going into my Miata bubble. I unfortunately bought a roll bar without harness bar, even though the picture on the website says so. But I got this from Zarek Fabrication, and it should fit in without problems. So unfortunately, we have to improvise on where to paint this. So we're here next to a tree. We're gonna cover the tree with some trash bag. Home Depot special. Okay, same thing it. So this is all painted, just letting it dry. Lay it down pretty well. Okay, good job, Yunni. So just not gonna let it dry at about 30 minutes since it's getting a little cold outside. The sun is not really out, and technically that thing is inside the shade right now. So I'll just let it dry before installing inside the car. And now I'm gonna put it back in the car for the first time. Here, gonna take the hardtop off so we have easier access to the roll bar / harness bar area. The 12 on this. Give me a sub, kindly. So now the hardtop is off. Gonna take the bucket seat out since we're gonna put the harness bar here, and I wanna install the harness on this side. So I'll take the big boy out with the 14-inch socket and give it a ugga. Okay, that was easy. I got this from yellow 5-point harness. The car is pink and chrome and yellow. Here's the 5-point. It goes okay. And here. So this is how it's gonna look like inside a car. One under the crouch, 2 on the side, and 2 on the top. Okay. This is ready too. I hate this. I don't understand this. Oh, I think that's it. Is it? No. This has been the hardest part of my installation today. Let me see that working. Yes. Okay. Oh, there you go. Good job. So the new rope bar, the new harness bar is in. It's mounted on the OEM seatbelt tower. Took the Home Depot and got a nut and a washer for the eyelets that goes to it goes to the bottom of the seat. What do you think you are? Okay, so we did like a mock-up view of the seatbelt inside. The yellow really does a great contrast with the black interior and the pink outside. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Listen.
Both the 3-point stock seatbelt and the harness. So we're gonna put the whatever eyelet is on with the seatbelt buckle here. How do I use this? Oh, there you go. Oh my god. What? It's like that's a big mouth. What do you want me to do? Just turn it?
Yeah.
Tight.
Check out my shoe.
Ow, my ears. So the harness is officially in. Look at it. The 5-point in. I do have a lot of straps at the back that are extra that I need to figure some way out to get rid of it. So I'm gonna need to remember to put the harness on the side so I don't sit on them, or else it's gonna be very painful. Okay. This is still very pink. Okay. Grab it on the side here. And we'll just start with the bottom one, side one, top ones. Okay. One more. Well, you see the problem with short people are just have a lot of straps dangling here. But look. It's still a little bit choking on the side on here, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Yunni's car stuff. See you next time.